Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the homepage of your Google TV or Hisense TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Hisense TV and there are some apps that you tend to use more than others. How do you actually go ahead and customize your homepage? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first grab our Hisense remote. And let's pretend that we use Hulu more than we do Disney Plus. So we can actually go ahead and hold the center button, which is the OK button here. And this will actually allow you to move the Hulu app so that you can move it to, let's say, the left-hand side. So by rearranging it this way, you can have apps that you use more on the left-hand side. And then once you're done, simply just click on done. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust the homepage of your Hisense/Google TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.